Welcome to the Mixup, please, and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now you have to go catch the video to hear what Dwayne has to say about this, that, and the third. Whatever it is that he has to say, it's your responsibility to listen so that you can hear. So go ahead and catch out the video. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. For all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my followers, subscribers, whatever you want to call me, have yourselves a beautiful day.
I don't say ABSC because they don't know if I'm coming or going. They don't know if I'm coming or going. I try so hard every day to prove myself. Listen, hello social media, hello, the things I was on before. I am no longer there. I am here now. I am here. It's up to you people to see it or don't see it. Me not come push it on the throat. I am not asking why. Because all of us are grown people and we have a mind and a brain to think for ourselves. No one can force nobody to interact, like, share, or nothing. That's me leaving alone. I'm not going to do one. Who want come listen? I just eat that. You understand? Leave people's families alone. Leave people's young children, minor children alone. You know, this the same thing me and my friends are trying to knock out on TikTok now, where adults are on TikTok trying so hard to groom young children. Children must stay being children until them get to an age where them can stand by themselves and say, yes, I can go and take on the world alone. What values are we instilling in our young families? What values, what principles, what ethics, what morals are we instilling in them if we get up every day and be at each other's throats like damn? What do people call them? Them people were barbarians. Barbarians. What example are we sending? Ask yourself why I'm saying, yo, a lot of things I used to do, I am so done. And whether I want to see it or don't, I don't care. I'm going to keep being me. I'm going to keep coming out here and put myself out there. And who want to like me? Who like me? Who don't like me? Oh, well, I don't care. I don't care. I have a lot to prove, not just to social media, but to myself. I have a lot to prove, not just to Uno, but to myself too. Say, yes, I can. Not I can't, but I can do it. You hear me? I'm trying to run my page in a manner that is pleasing to myself, not just to myself, but to my audience too. I want them to interact, but I will not force them. But how does it look if I'm away from my page and people are on here attacking people's young children? What? How is that making me look the platform holder if I don't come and put a stop to it? If you guys can't respect me, if you can't respect, you see me. One thing I've realized: respect is earned; it is not given. And yes, I know I have a lot to learn. And I'm still learning. Every day I get up, I'm still learning. I try to be a better version of myself than I was. You see, today, I'm going to try to do better than how I did yesterday. Can't you do the same thing too? Can't you apply that same concept in your life too? I was so. Why are you guys so cantankerous? Why are you so distasteful being grown men and women? When we're dead and gone, when we is dead and gone, when we gone, how are the little ones who's coming up in the world? How are they gonna behave? And that's enough to worry about. Remember enough will I have soon done? Will I have soon done? Me soon reach 40 and I don't know how long I have left on this earth. I don't know. But one thing I do know, I'll make sure I do my damn best this time round. most times on a not use situations we're going in on a day-to-day life say, yo, that could have been me. Let the past remain in the past and move forward, move on in a meaningful. We cannot keep just going backward. If we keep going backward, we're not learn nothing at all. We're not learn nothing. Wanna hear me? The only thing that's gonna last forever is salvation, the good salvation of God too. That's the only thing. All of us are here on borrowed time. You, me, the one away. All the people that come is on borrowed time. Making the time meaningful, make it worthwhile. Making the time worthwhile about ya. Get up every day and try to be better than you was yesterday. Stop attacking children. The children are the future. Even your enemies' children are the future. God forbid at them seven hour group and turn doctors, nurses, you name, and look after we all angry and can't wipe our backside. What's wrong with you people? Stop attacking people's children on my page. Stop attacking people's children on my page. I don't like it. I do not like it. Ask yourself why I removed myself from certain things on here. I removed myself because I don't only want peace of mind, but I also want to move forward in a manner that is pleasing to myself. You see my mother. I love my mom so much, and in the past, I allowed social media clout to get to me. I did. I allowed it to get to me. I was a damn fool. I was a fool. You hear me? Dwayne, you are not changed and only pretending it better. You go back to your job. I still do gossip, Jermaine. Jermaine, I still do gossip, but I do gossip in a meaningful way. I still, that's so you say, you now watch me. You now watch. I still do drama, but I do drama in a way where it doesn't, tear on the body, Jermaine. I'm not bring on the body. I'm not cuss nobody family. And you know, say me, my mouth could have got very nasty, Jermaine. Let's be real, Jermaine. Let us all be real. Me not say go back, but think back, Jermaine. Think back. Jermaine, it's people like you, why all of us are stuck. We are just stuck in this cycle, this cycle that keeps going around and around. Like round and around and around. That's how we keep going around in circles. Because people like you would gladly sit on a page and hear someone dragging someone's child and be like, it's not funny, Jermaine. It's not funny. Whether I'm pretending or not, don't make that be your burden. It is my burden to carry. Listen, Jeremy, let me tell you something. You see, life, my conscience is clean. It's clear. I have nothing to prove to you or anyone else. I'm going to keep coming out here. I'm going to do me. You hear me? I know I want to know. I know I'm going to come out here and go and nasty. Jeremy, go away. Jeremy, go and get a grip. Jeremy, go and give your life to God. You need God in your life, sir. You're probably a woman. You need God in your life. You need God. I can't help you. Social media can't help none of us. You hear me, Jermaine? Jermaine, are you hearing me, Jermaine? Are you hearing me? You need something more meaningful than this, sir. Stop coming out and dragging people's children. I'm not saying you're doing it. I'm saying whoever is on my page doing this nastiness, stop it. I will block you. I will block you. If you cannot respect me, you see, someone don't know how something feels until it lands on your door. You don't know how it feels until it lands on your door. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know how something feels until it hits your damn doorstep. This mother called me saying, Dwayne, Go look at that person who's dragging my 12-year-old son. So the son on none of manners. Yes, me too. I don't have no manners sometimes. Yes, sometimes. But only when it matters. Then the time we can put on a dirty boy and drawers and go on myself. But I don't. Sometimes out of sight is out of mind. See no evil, you won't speak no evil. Shit, if you don't hear no evil, you won't have to speak no evil. And shit, you most definitely don't see it either. I don't believe in bringing down children, but I'm just saying you are not a change. Jermaine, you seem like, let me tell you something. You are allowed to have your opinion. That's your opinion. And I will never take away your opinion from you. Do you mean it's people like you I need to prove wrong? People like you. People like you. When I come argue with she, or the old lady. Do you mean I know you know. I know for a fact you are a Lorraine supporter. You know the other day when Lorraine came out here and draw some of my memories and go out with herself and Bob talk about my little nephew, whatever. Ask yourself this question. If this was back then, would class them? Would I class? I would have class out them backside. I would have class out them caca. Class out Bob too. Or Michelle. I would have talk some sort. I would have chat to Cindy Panya. Then when I would have cried shame at me. Ask me why I chose not to. My mindset is not what it used to be. And if you don't see, I don't give a shit. Do you know what I mean? If you don't see, I don't give a flying shit. I don't care. Whatever you want to believe in, you hold on to that. You hold that. Let those who want to see the growth and the change, let them see it for themselves. I'm not pushing it. I'm not pushing it on your throat, Jermaine. I am not pushing it down your throat. I am not. Don't come my page, come drag no one's children. That's all I'm going to ask you. Please do not use my page to drag no one's child. I don't like it. I don't like it. Bear in mind, when I drag my little nephew, among other things, it bothers me too. And I'm sure it bothers my little nephew's mother. Shit, it bothers even his grandmother too, my mother. It bothers them. Even if they don't speak about it openly, it bothers them. Jermaine, can I tell you something, Jermaine? Let me show you how I know I'm doing amazing. I'm going to show you how I know I'm doing amazing. You see, before, my family, Jermaine, my actual blood relative, they never used to comment on my page. Them tell my mother, say, yo, we don't like or Dwayne when I come up and they never used to comment over here. Jermaine, my family has started to comment back on my page. Jermaine, my family has started to comment back on my page, and I did not force them. I didn't say want to come back. They came back by themselves. Me ask my auntie, my blood auntie, my mother's sister. My mother's sister come drop comment on my page. Mr. Backside. I walk one so. Do you mean I know I'm changing? Me not ask you. Anything you want, you all that. I don't really care. I have nothing to prove to you. I'm gonna keep doing me and let the real see. Don't come my page with the nonsense. Do you mean Guan over Lorraine? Do you mean Guan over Lorraine? Cause all you know and others know is to come out here and be hateful to people. Yes, at a point I was a little bit bitter too. But it's full time. I'm gonna stop this. Stop. Don't come to my page on the bullshit. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't. And to that mother, I'm really sorry this happened. I'm really sorry. I've hidden those comments. I didn't block them. I asked them to stop. And if it continues, I'm gonna you know yourself. I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you because this type of behavior is not. I am not tolerating it over here no more. I'm trying to be a respectful blogger. You know, say keyword trying. You hear me? Keyword trying. I am not there yet, but I'm trying. Nothing beats a trial. Nothing beats failure than that one there. That one there. I Sharon I was telling about failing and trying. That one there. Someone tell me. Nothing beats a trial and failing. Something along like that. And Jermaine, I am trying, Jermaine. You should try to. Jermaine, you should try to be a good human being too and stop with the hateful behavior and stop with the hateful nonsense because it's making no sense. Don't you realize, Jermaine, on here, it's a small group of us. One little group away. One little group. with pages. And look how some of them out there, that's a guy with themselves like say, tomorrow is promised to all of us. It's not promised. Go give your life to God. Go read the Bible. Go read the damn Bible. Stop this nonsense. It's not cute. Watch there. Me get 6 likes. Me get 6 likes to backside. Look what you're over here. Don't you see, Jermaine? Don't you see? Don't you see? Jermaine, do you see? Do I care? No, I don't care. Nothing beat failing than what I try. That one, there's something along that. Thank you, Dread. Thank you. Even this person, I have blocked this person before. I mean, unblocked them. Thank you. Stop it. It's not cute. I'm tired. I did not come in here for a very long time. I did not. I was busy talking to my people. Because I'm telling you, Facebook is not my bread and butter. I am not going to live on here like I used to. If something happens when I come on table, I'm going to do that. But I'm not going to live on here like, say, I have nothing better to do. No, I have many things to do. Me, I'm also for go clean. Me, I'm also for go map. Me, I'm looking at dirty people for go wash. Even I can't wash myself, but you know, me, I'm going to do what I can do and leave the rest of the people who can do it. That's it. Jermaine, go and do something meaningful. Stop this. Stop it, Jermaine. Jermaine, stop it. It's not cute. Stop coming on my page and disrespecting people. I am trying to build a page where people can feel free to comment on. And I don't like this nasty behavior anymore. I don't like it anymore. That is, Jermaine, that is growth. Try it too. Try it, Jermaine. You should try it. It might actually put you in a better position. It might, in fact, not in a better position, it might make you feel good. It might make you feel better about yourself. It might make your life feel more fulfilling. Try it. Even if you're down, when it's your time, it's going to be your time. Relax. Be freaking relax. You're doing too much. Anyways. To that mother, I'm very sorry. It will never happen again. And if it does happen again, I'm going to block you. I want people to come here and I want people to feel free to comment and do so without fear of reprisals or repercussions. And that I want. I want people to comment over here and don't be afraid. Somebody will come in and comment and class along with them nastiness. Stop it. Anyways, I'm going now. I'm going. I don't know what's wrong with you people. Imagine today's a whole new day, Which just the most I know. They say thank you, Lord, for blessing me to allow to wake up to see another day. Right now, enough people are dead. Right now, them are dead. I will never block you again. It's fine. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Back then, you know, you used to come here and you used to go at me because of something. We don't want to go back over that. And it bothered me. And something have to block you. But now you're not blocked anymore. Growth. Move forward in a meaningful way. Stop this. This goes to everyone out here. And if you stop this now, we are a small group of Jamaican people. It's full time. We start to embrace each other a little bit more because tomorrow is not promised to no man, woman, or child. None of us. None of us. The sooner we realize that, the better off we will be as human beings. The better off we will be as people. Not we. Plural. We. Relax. And sorry if I feel away my bonnet, I might bonnet. My put on my head at night time. And I feel I forget I'm coming on here. And I'm wake up. I did not take it off. I did not take it off. So I keep it on. Understand? When my house, I'm about it. Am I about it? Mine. Man bonnet, not woman.